On one side, we had the entire country talking of Operation Sindoor. On the other side were these nationwide mock drills. We've seen these massive mock drills that have happened across states. In fact, about 244 districts participated in this exercise, where you had all this amidst this heightened tension. But the idea was to prepare everyone for any kind of eventuality. On your screen are multiple images that we've seen through the day from different parts of the country. The first such exercise when it comes to civil defense mock drills since the year 1971. It entailed blackouts, it entailed evacuations, and also war sirens. Sit back and watch what our reporters figured out through the day on that story.
That is the air raid warning signal that's been sounded in Secunderabad. That is a sign that things are not normal and everyone needs to start acting according to earlier defined protocols. 12 different departments have come together to try and show people what a mock drill will look like and what they are expected to do. These are, of course, volunteers from the Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation. They may help remove this kind of a debris in case there is any kind of a collapse of a structure. There are bricks and other rocks that are there. That has to be moved before the forces can come in. There are 12 different departments that are getting together. This is, of course, a civil defense mock drill, and therefore it is this apartment complex that we are talking about that is going to be used as a demonstration. So if you turn and show this apartment complex where the demo will be done in case there is a fire on one of the top floors, what people are expected to do after that. Now, of course, they are all only watching what is happening as part of this drill. But in an emergency, the movement will be very different. You can see already that all different volunteers, the medical camp people are ready, the ambulances are ready, and they know what to do. The NCC volunteers are also part of this mock drill. Obviously, the younger generation has to be trained to do this. Tell us what the role of youngsters is going to be and what is NCC doing here?
Well, madam, since the establishment of NCC in 1948, we were raised with this purpose only, so that our services can be utilized in such difficult times of war. So we have today cadets from 3rd Telangana Battalion NCC, and we have undergone a mock drill. Actually, now the mock drill is taking place, but we are practicing it since the morning. It is nothing new to us. We are regularly trained for this. In fact, what I call it as, this is a refresher exercise.
Well, here, if we talk about in Delhi as well, the mock drill is currently going on. We are present at NDMC, and I'd like to show you that you can hear the siren currently, and the entire building of NDMC is now being evacuated. We are showing you in the visuals how the civil defense volunteers have reached here. There are, in fact, Delhi police officials also who are here, the Delhi Fire Services Department also here, and you can see that how, the employees, they are being evacuated currently from the building as a practice, as the mock drill practice, goes on here. So you can see all the employees from this building, huge building certainly, are being evacuated one by one as civil defense volunteers. They are going inside the building to evacuate them. We are showing you the visuals also currently. You can see the Delhi Fire Department officials also present in the building to ensure that all are evacuated safely. And in fact, we will like to show you the pictures also, visuals also from there. The Delhi Fire Department hydraulic machines have also been brought here, also that the rescue, the evacuation operation can go on smoothly. So the sirens have gone, and now you can see the visuals how the employees are being asked to leave the building one by one. The officials are currently engaged in this, be it the civil defense volunteers, be it in fact the Delhi police officials, and be it in fact the Delhi Fire Services. One by one, this huge building is being evacuated as the mock drill continues. Now we have seen that, amid this tension that is currently there, with the Pakistan, and especially after Operation Sindoor. Now, we are seeing here the visuals here that how, in fact, they've also put the tape here so that nobody can enter into the premises of the office as the mock drill continues to go on. All this to ensure that the civilians here are well prepared if the tensions continue to escalate. Now with camera person Pooja, this is Ishka Verma for NDTV.
The Ministry of Home Affairs briefed the state governments to conduct mock drills to check the preparedness of citizens and the civil defense. Here in Bengaluru, right outside the Fire and Emergency Services headquarters, you're looking at the teams conducting a mock drill of a rescue operation, going in an inflated boat to a small island, rescuing an injured person, and by the banks you're looking at multiple civil defense personnel using a stretcher to get this injured person from the boat towards an ambulance as soon as possible. This is once again, mind you viewers, a mock drill, especially in the light of the recent attacks that India have carried out on terror bases in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Such drills, of course, become very important over the course of the next 7 days or more. There will be multiple mock drills that will try and prepare the police, the civil defense, the fire personnel and any security personnel to really be prepared for any sort of eventuality. Air raid sirens, of course, are going to be blaring in different parts of Bengaluru, Karwar, Raichur, Mysuru and Mandya over the next few days. There's also going to be other forms of rescue operations in different places. Now here you can also see, of course, another boat that is also making its way here. That's once again emulating another rescue from a nearby island. They too will, of course, come in here towards the banks, where another team of the civil defense personnel with a stretcher will try and emulate another rescue operation. So this is an extensive mock drill that's being carried out. More importantly, we should note that, like I said, it's not just this particular form of rescue, but other forms of rescue as well, which will be simulated over the next few days to ensure preparedness of the police, preparedness of the civil defense, and more importantly of the citizens alike to respond to any sort of emergency situation that could come by, especially considering the fact that now it is a very active and volatile situation with Pakistan after India, of course, carried out those precision strikes in different parts of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir and Pakistan in itself. With video journalist Govind, this is Deepak Bopana for NDTV.